Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix EA application not opening. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first of all, you want to open up your task manager, and on your task manager you want to find EA application and also EA background. So EA application, we're gonna go ahead and select it and end the task. After that, you want to scroll down until you find EA background service. You want to end the task there also. And once you will do that, you want to go ahead and drag your EA application to the bin. So for example, we're gonna find the EA app and let's create a shortcut here. So you just want to choose your EA app and then click delete, basically move it to the bin. And also you want to go ahead and empty your recycle bin. After you have done that, you want to download the EA app installer again. So for example, I have it here on my desktop, so you want to go ahead and run it and try install it and launch the application. So once you will click on EA app installer, you will see this option. EA app is already installed and you can launch the app or a repair. So you want to go ahead and click repair, just like so, then click yes, and it will repair your EA application. And after that, it will take around 2 minutes or less, and then the app should launch like normal. So let's wait a little bit. So now it has opened up and all you need to do is sign to your account. Now you also want to do is go ahead, for example, on search, write down EA app updater or EA app. You can go ahead and open up file location. So for example, you will find EA app. You want to right click on it and click open file location. And after that, you will see EA updater. So you want to go ahead and launch it, and it will update your EA application just like so. And it should fix your EA app. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.